Introduction to the rope pulling suspended man-riding chairlift system of rail type. The rope pulling suspended man-riding chairlift system of rail type, known as the rail type man-riding chairlift system, is innovated by Xiangtan Hangxin Industrial Company Limited and marked as another technology update in the industry following the hydraulic man-riding chairlift system, the second generation of its kind. As a modern transporting device for underground mines, the rail-type man-riding chairlift system features anti-chair falling, anti-rope dropping, roadway of multiple big graded turnings in the same direction or S-shaped turnings applicable, comfortable riding, large transporting capacity, complete safety protections, secure and reliable operation, convenient embarking and disembarking, etc. It is mainly consisted of a driving unit, bearing rail, man-riding device, return unit, rail adjusting device, tensioning device, protection device, and electrical control device. Based on the rail type, it can be divided into two categories: the rope pulling suspended man-riding chairlift system of a steel pipe rail type, known as the steel pipe type man-riding chairlift system, and the rope pulling suspended man-riding chairlift system of I-shaped rail type, known as the I-shaped rail type man-riding chairlift system. Product features: anti-rope dropping. The steel rope does not carry any load, which is borne by the rail. The rolling pulleys run inside the rail, and the pulleys in the rail are connected with the grip which clamps the rope. As a result, rope dropping is impossible to happen. As the greatest advantage comparing with the traditional man-riding chairlift system, it has radically prevented the risk of a personal injury. Anti-chair falling. The whole line of the system is equipped with a safety device of anti-chair falling. All the grips are connected with a safety rope. When the pulling rope is disconnected or the grip fails to capture the rope, the safety rope would continue to hold all the grips to avoid chair falling and rope slipping. No rope-carrying pulleys or rope-pressing pulleys. There are no rope-carrying pulleys or rope-pressing pulleys on the gradient change points or the horizontal sections in the system. So the system operates more steadily and smoothly with very little resistance. Turning at any point. It is applicable for complicated roadway with multiple gradient changes, multiple turnings, turnings in the same direction or S-shaped turnings. Big gradient. It is applicable for operation in roadway with a big gradient equal or greater than 25 degrees and multiple gradient changes. Simple grip type. Only fixed grip is applied and it has replaced the fixed grip, caliper grip and flexible grip of the traditional man-riding system. Safety protections. Over travel protection for drive unit and return unit. Once the passenger could not get off when he arrives at the disembarking point, the system would stop automatically when he passes the over-travel protection point. Low speed, fast speed protection for steel rope. When the man-riding device runs at a speed 20% lower or 10% higher than the designed speed, the system would stop automatically. Lower limit of weight. When the tensioning could not tighten the rope to keep it with a constant tension and the system could not operate securely, the system should stop automatically. Emergency stop along the roadway. Once the passenger needs emergency stop during the travel, he can stop the system by pulling the emergency stop pull cord at any point in the riding area. Meanwhile, the code of the failure location will be displayed on the display station. Brake failure. If the brake fails to be fully released before the drive pulley rotates, the system cannot be started. Secure device to prevent chair falling. All grips are connected in series by a secondary secure rope under the pulling rope. When an individual grip slips on the pulling rope, due to that the grip fails to capture the rope or the pulling rope breaks, the secure rope would continue to hold the slipped grip to stop it from falling on downgrade. Meanwhile, it can keep the distance between grips to avoid large displacement of the grips after long-term operation. As a simple and practical device, it can radically prevent the chair falling incident. It is also called the safety rope for miners. The great innovation of the rail-type man-riding chairlift system has provided the underground miners with the most secure personnel conveying device, with the mission to offer the safest, the most environment-friendly, and the most energy-efficient product to all mines. We are dedicated in provision of the most secure quality product and the best services to mines throughout the world.